forever, but I know it was just a matter of time. All the things I could do better, I'm sure I can, but I don't want to touch it again. Miss myself from the time before that happened, but now everything's more simple than in the past. My deep voice keeps telling me that's better, 'cause I'm more clear and true in my mind. Fiction seems to be clean up around me. Rest of my innocence is gone, and the cat is sitting and observing another spring explosion in my head. Another spring explosion in my head.